Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the GPU benchmark comparison test between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus iQOO 7 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my users asking me to compare only the GPU benchmark. Let's see friends how much the difference can be there between these both phones. They do have the same kind of Adreno GPU, but let's see which phone will be scoring what kind of percentage. And during this time, there is no background applications running at this moment. As you can clearly see, friends, there is no Wi-Fi connection, nothing is enabled. So everything is pretty clear. Let's see how much benchmark scores we can actually get from this GPU benchmarks comparing between these both phones. And this is my first time doing this kind of testing between these both devices. So even I am not sure which phone will be scoring what kind of results. That's another thing you should definitely understand. And now let me start the GPU test. So let's click at same time both phones 1, 2 and 3. So I think it requires some kind of Wi-Fi connection or internet connection. I did turn on the Wi-Fi connection at this moment, but let me try to start the test again. So right now, as you can see, friends, both phones are trying to do the GPU benchmark test, and both are having very low temperatures, nothing much high temperatures at this moment, pretty close in terms of the temperatures wise. So right now, you'll be able to see the real-time FPS meter, how much we are getting at this point, and you can look at the minimum and the maximum average FPS. So right now we're getting the highest FPS in the Realme GT Neo 2, 240 it's trying to reach. The GPU, you can clearly see in the iQOO 7 device it's not reaching it that much, you can see. And the minimum FPS we're getting 147 and maximum it did went up to 471 and maximum did went up to 459, but average FPS is maintaining 177 and 225. So this is I think 5 months old mobile phone, the iQOO 7 device, and Realme GT Neo 2 is 15 days old mobile phone only. But still, I just want to inform you this kind of factors as well. And try to look at the average score, how much we are getting. So this test will go on for continuously, friends. So this is going to be really interesting. As I said, this is my first time doing this kind of testing side by side. So even I am not sure which phone will be scoring what kind of results. So this is going to be really interesting to see. And in case if you want me to compare any other phone, so with the GPU benchmark, let me know in the comments below. Definitely I'll be able to do those kind of comparison as soon as possible. And finally we are able to get the results. Let me click. Yep. So now we got the GPU benchmark score. It's about 1,73,000 benchmark which we got here. I think 17 lakhs somewhere around that we got the GPU score, and which is about I think close to 13 lakhs in the iQOO 7 device. You can clearly see friends, this is iQOO 7 device and this is Realme GT Neo 2. You can compare both phones side by side. How much difference is there between these two devices in terms of the GPU benchmark score? And let's go to the My device, and you will be able to see all the properties of these both phones, what model and what Adreno GPU 650 GPU and GPU memory. You can see all the cores and frequencies and everything, all the details. Everything is completely same between these both phones. Everything except the model device name, everything is pretty same. But still, we got the different results in both phones, as you can see friends clearly. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. This is a quick GPU benchmark comparison, and I'll definitely try to do a couple of other comparison with other phones as well, so very soon. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. Thank you for watching. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.